Hi guys, my name's Mitz and I'm just going to give you a few tips about the WordPress menus. Okay, so I'm going to show you where my menus are on my website. So I've got one up the top here, okay, and I've actually placed another one down the bottom here, right down the bottom. Now, the position of the menus has been changed in the actual HTML code of the website, so or the WordPress theme. Now, some themes let you manipulate where they go, but in the WordPress menu section you still have to choose which one is going to be the top menu and which one's going to be the bottom menu and stuff like that. Okay, so what I've done is I've gone to Appearance and then Menus, and I've come up with this. Now let's have a look through here. We've got different sections on the side here. Now this is the links that you can make in the menu. So you can choose from a category, or you can go over and say View All or Search. You can create your own custom link with your own text and then just press Add to Menu, or you can get it from the pages. Okay, so there's three ways to get the links there. So if you can't find a way, you just create the link here with a custom link. Now with this one here, it says select a menu to edit. Now we've got the top menu as the primary menu, and we've got the bottom menu as the secondary menu and the top menu as the primary menu. Now this theme that I'm using only allows two menus, so my third menu is not counted. Okay, I have put them, I've made the bottom left a secondary and the top one a primary one. Now I showed you on the website, this up the top here is the primary navigation menu, and the one right down the bottom is the secondary. Now I'm just going to show you how I actually set that. Okay, if you go into Themes, press on Themes. So this happens when you first install a theme. So you see my theme there, the 1140 Pro theme. It says it has options here. Press on Customize. And under here it's got navigation. And this is where, this hidden little thing here is where I chose where the top menu. So the top menu is connected to the primary menu and my bottom left is connected to the secondary. So I could have chosen anything I like. I could have chosen the bottom right, but I've chosen the bottom left. Okay, so all you have to do there is choose it, and it says saved already. So I've done it. I'm going to close it. Okay, we're back to the themes section. Now I'm going back to the menus. So now you know how I put those two menus together. Now the other thing is that I actually made these menus. So I've already made the menu, and we can press on, come up here, and we can press on which menu we want to edit for starters. So let's say we want to do the top menu, press select. And we've got the top menu there. Now if I didn't have any menus here at all, I would have to come and create a menu and name it, and then I'd be able to say whether it was primary or secondary. Now just say I want to move these around or add a link. So let's add a link. So all I have to do, it's just as simple as this. Just say I want to use this one in this menu that I've got here. So all I'm going to do is tick it and press Add to Menu, and here it is here. Now what I have to do is actually either leave it in the top row, which is these ones, or I can make it a sub menu like these. So what I'm going to do is pick it up and just move it. I'll move it across, okay? Now if I move it across under this section, PC errors, then it's going to be a sub menu of that. If I move it across under that one, it's going to be a sub menu of that. Now let's move it back. So it's going to be under this one here, PC errors. Now you can't see what that is, so I'm going to edit the actual navigation label. Okay, we're going to call it black screen ebook. Okay, and title attribute, you can just keep it the same just in case, and we can move it, or it says we can move it around like that, but it's just as easy to do it yourself. And that's about it there. Right, I've done it. Now what I want to do is go and press save menu. Right. Okay, now there's some more settings down here. See how there is also a choice to choose whether it's the primary navigation here, and also this is important. It says automatically add new top level pages to this menu. I don't have it ticked because I like to control what is getting added to the menu. If you have that ticked, it is going to automatically add pages to your menu. Okay, so let's go and have a look at the menu that we just moved on to this new one. It's just a little sub menu item. So let's go across and see. Well, this one's got the things coming down. And there we go. There's the little sub menu item coming down below. And I just added it and it's there already. Now if I'd put that up in the row up the top, I didn't want to because it wouldn't fit. But it would have been up here making the site look a bit awkward. Alright, what else can we see here? We've got the two different menus. You just create a couple of menus, put some pages or whatever you want on them. Now I've got two separate kinds of menus here, like I said, the top and the bottom. So let's have a look at the bottom one because it has different things on it. So let's select it. Okay, so as you can see, the bottom one doesn't have interesting pages. It has the boring stuff. Okay, down below, look at that. Guest post, download, privacy policy, blah blah blah. It's all very boring, and that is part of being organized on your website. Now some people have all that up the top if they want. I like to have it down the bottom because it is the boring stuff. It is not the stuff that most people come to see on your website. They come to see content. So give them the content. Then if they want to contact you, they can go down the bottom and find it. Just say you want to put a link, a custom link, just say to another website. So let's just say I'll put a link to my other website. Let's build websites.com, and we're going to call it build a website. Okay, and add it to the menu. Okay, so we're adding it to the menu. Now the thing is that it is going somewhere else, so I would like to open that link in another window, but it doesn't give me the opportunity to do that here. So what I'm going to do is go up right up the top here to screen options, and it has some more options that I can tick on here. So as you saw before, I only could see links, categories, pages and stuff, I can tick that box to show posts. And this is the one here where I can go link target. And look at this one here, link relationship. I don't think that means no follow though, but we can grab that. And if you're into CSS, my menu is already got its own complete CSS for the primary navigation, so I don't want to tick that there, but anyway, it's up to you. So here's the extra options. So if I go down the bottom right now, I can see that I've got posts. Okay, so they're the recent posts, and then I can view all and whatever, and all I have to do is tick them and add them to the menu. Now that's not very, you don't usually do that, but if you have an absolute, the best post ever, you probably want to have it where people can get to it. Now let's go down and see, we have this little box here now, open the link in a new window or tab. I'm going to tick on it, okay? And also link relationship. What they mean by link relationship is if that's me, if I put me, that is that means that is another website of mine. It could be an acquaintance, could be all sorts of things. I won't get into that one. The main thing is that you can open your link in another window or tab. Okay, so let's press save the menu. And then I'm going to go to the website. I'm just going to click on the home. And it's down the bottom where I added it. So here it is here. Okay, there it is there. Build a website. Now all of these, they open in the window that we're on. Now this one here should open in another window, which it is. Okay, there it is. Alright, I think that explains the menus pretty good. Alright, thanks for watching.